Welcome to your daily news. Today we will be interviewing the coolest scientist ever. Please welcome Evelyn Witkin.
Thanks for having me.
Let's start by talking about your life aside from being a geneticist.
Well, I'm a native New Yorker. In 1941, I received my bachelor's degree from New York University. 8 years later, in 1947, I received my PhD from Columbia University.
Why did you decide to go into genetics?
I didn't think that another scientist's theories were true. His name was Trofim Lysenko, and he was a Stalinist.
Why were you skeptic about his theories?
They were about how certain heredity features were influenced by environmental factors. Turns out that his theories were not based on fact. I found this out after a few months of research.
And what about your family?
My husband, Herman Witkin, and I had 2 children, Andrew Witkin and Joseph Witkin. My husband was a psychologist.
Wonderful. You are described as a pioneer in biological responses to DNA damage. What else would you like the audience to know about your career?
Well, many say I made history with my first experiments. I was able to identify a strain of E. coli bacteria known as BR.
Can you explain what that is?
E. coli is found in your gut or colon, but if it gets in other places of the human body, it can be fatal. I found that this strain was more resistant to radiation than the original strain.
Wow.
I was also the first person to isolate strands of DNA with mutations related to the resistance of radiation.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So you built your work on DNA response to ultraviolet radiation.
Exactly. None of this could have been possible without Rosalind Franklin, who discovered the structure of DNA.
Fantastic. Unfortunately, we are going to have to wrap this up. Is there anything else you would like to say?
Yes. Because of my choice of work, it laid a foundation for the explanation of the molecular mechanisms by which UV-induced mutagenesis, which is the way something mutates, may be repaired.
Can you summarize that?
Of course. I created the field of DNA mutagenesis and DNA repair.
And because of all your hard work, you played an important role in the biomedical scientist. You even impacted treatment for cancer like radiation therapy.
Yes. Well, thank you for having me.
Have a nice day. And that's it for today, folks. We will see you tomorrow on why puppies choose so much.